So I just started vacuuming with this shark as part of the review. Show you what's in the bed. And you can see I have vacuumed my bedroom. So now I'm going to put the microphone on the central vacuum. And I want you to listen to it. And again, that's after I vacuumed this much with the shark. So I haven't vacuumed in about 2 days, maybe 3 days. And even after vacuuming right with the shark, still getting all that sound. And that's the sort of sound it would sound like if I ran no vacuum first. So consider I ran a vacuum and picked up what looks like a bunch of stuff in the cyclone of the shark. But you can see the cyclones are pretty small on the shark. And you can see the stuff in the filter as well. Yucko. So I hope this little impromptu video on the shark will maybe tell you the difference between something that actually picks up. I'm using my central vacuum, but I suspect this would be the same if I whipped out a SIBO or a Miele or something like that as well. Thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up and have yourself a wonderful day.